was the lost suitcase full of money. There was the lost suitcase full of money. Tyson's first divorce was costly. Tyson's first divorce was costly. He owed millions in unpaid taxes. He owed millions in unpaid taxes. His monthly spending was out of control. Tyson sued Don King for $1 million. There was the gem-covered gold chain. The $2 million bathtub. Some people have cats for pets. Mike Tyson had 2 tigers.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.